Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by getting living connectivity, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both phones, and keep them within arm's reach. Open the Move to iOS app on the iPhone or Google Photos on Android. You need the right app to bridge systems. Once done, sign into the same Google or Apple account when prompted so permissions match. This avoids stuck transfers. Make sure both batteries are healthy, because interruptions cause partial copies, and confirm storage space on the iPhone before continuing. Now you perform the heavy lifting. If using Move to iOS, follow the code exchange, select photos and videos, and let the devices negotiate a private Wi-Fi connection. Alternatively, back up Android to Google Photos, wait for Cloud Sync to finish, then sign into Google Photos on the iPhone and download selected albums. Pay attention to formats. Hike may be native on iPhone, so convert only when necessary. This prevents duplicates and preserves quality. While the transfer runs, you finish by validating that every album, video, and date stamp appears correctly in the iPhone Photos app. Scan favorites and moments for gaps. If items are missing, make sure sync completed on Android, then rerun the transfer or use a computer. Copy originals from Android to a Mac or PC and import into Photos or iCloud. If transfers fail repeatedly, clear cache, update both apps, and try a wired USB transfer. This resolves most stubborn connectivity or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.